Want to know my favorite accessory for the GoPro? It works for the Hero 9, 10, even the earlier models. It's this. And soon you'll see why I like it so much. So the point of this video really is as simple as this is my favorite accessory for the GoPro, the Hero 9, the Hero 10, and even the earlier GoPros. It's actually something quite simple, but I highly recommend it. Is this. It's the ZG Sign power bank, the PSG-10. There we are. Literally, it's a power bank. It has a USB-A and a USB-C port at the back, but as well as that, it holds 4 memory cards, micro SD, and it can charge your Hero 9 and 10 batteries, as well as, if I can put this in the right way, it's got this little adapter, and I can fit my Hero 7 batteries straight in there, like so. Like so. You get it. But anyways, there is my favorite accessory for the GoPro. It's this portable battery charger that also lets you charge multiple at a time. So if you've got any questions about it, please hit me up in the comments below or send me a direct message and share with me what your favorite GoPro accessory is. And you can sort of go overboard, I guess, with accessories that you may use or may not use, but I really feel like this is a necessity, especially if you're out on the run, and yeah, it can also charge your other devices. Anyways, you get the drift. I will see you all soon. Peace.